Hey you all, welcome to this video where I will help you out how to change your currency right here on FXTM. And if you want to change the currency, I'm very honest right here, it's not possible right here to directly change it for an already existing account. But what you need to know that if you go right here to profile and we go right here to set up trading account, this is the way how you can decide which currency you are using. So first of all, you need to set up your account right here. So fill in the address, city, state and postal or zip code. Then go further and click on verification where you need to give them your ID. And then there, right there at account setup, you can decide which currency you will use. So you need to know that, to select the currency right there. And if you go to profile and I'm having right here, and I switch to practice accounts, you see right here your accounts. And if you click right here on account, there's no option how we can change right here the currency. So the only way how to change that is by setting up your account. So hopefully this was a little bit the video where I was looking for. Sorry, maybe not the solution, but I'm honest and this is exactly how this works. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.